All right, people. I got a detailed plan for a BA. There's a lot of important facts I want to talk about. BA is going to have to act a certain way, but these are the targets of this new plan, people. Now, in the end of the video, I'm also going to post some of my other, like my other winning trades in BA. I've made multiple huge winning gains in BA with options. And this could be no different. We could do very well in this. This is not going to be as quick of a trade. It might need some more time. So let's talk about all the facts here, okay? So pay attention carefully to the video. Um, so BA is setting up to test 260 to 267. All right. The September 15, 240 or 250 calls could be used. A key support from here will be 234. Now, for this particular plan, we do not want, we do not want this to go below 234. There would be too much of a pullback, and then it could be as a momentum wane, and the stock may not work. This is something that should confirm. Basically, I'm looking for this to confirm Monday or Tuesday of this week. If I see something else, I would have to make another update. But just to make it clear, this is something that should be confirming because we did make a great move. Now, here's what I want to explain. This was overbought, extremely overbought, but it moved tons, right? Because this made great moves. It was practically overbought still, but then earnings came and this kept going higher, right? So a lot of people missed the moves. Now people were looking to short. People were looking to short over here. Believe me, there's these people who don't know nothing about technical analysis or how to really catch great gains. Um, Shorting always at thinking that it's a top and then it goes higher, and there is no reason for this not to go higher yet. There's something that I look at, it's not on these charts, and it's a matter of this, how we handle that level. Okay, now this is something I wouldn't look to short yet, but I could change my mind. But as it stands, the stock, in my opinion, is setting up, especially if the momentum starts kicking in on Monday, to test 260 to 260 to 267. Even Tuesday, this level here, this is a pivotal point. We don't want to be below that. That's not good. That's my point. Doesn't mean that it's just not good for this picture yet. Then I'd have to change and make a plan. Okay, now for confirmation here, people, BA needs to break above 239.75 on some good action volume, and good action volume is 500K on a 10-minute chart. Now, if the volume is not there, all right, now I'm going to explain the video. Basically, you're going to watch for some basic above 239.75 and look for power towards 240 to 240 and a half. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be looking for confirmation, and then we're using the September 15 240 or 250 calls. Let's go take a look at the options together, people. All right, so here we are at the Yahoo Finance, and Boeing closed 237.71, down 54, August the 4th. Okay, so here's the September 15 call options up, okay? And we're talking about the 240s, okay, and the 250s. If this is going to confirm and make a good move, a person could make money. This is more of a way you want to hold this. If it works well, you can make money in this and with these options. And why do we? I tape this to record this to show the facts, because many times in my other plans, you see where the options were and where they went. And this is all before the pack. This is what's called time. This is called planning, people. A lot of people, I put a lot of planning and thought into everything we do. But if I see something's not right, we always exit the trade. So BA, for me, all I care about is that
computers
BA
are important
acts
in
correctly.
design, but it matters.
I got an ad there playing. Sorry about that. So anyways, people, listen. So as it stands, if things go correctly, right, we're either going to make small profits or large profits, and these are the ones I would shoot for. I prefer the September 240s, and they're trading around. Now they may cost about $4 on confirmation. If this confirms, everything has to confirm, right? It's about waiting for confirmation. Let's go take a look. All right, people, welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great detailed plans. My last plan, this is a lot more of a faster moving stock, was this Tesla special earnings August the 2nd plan that you could see here 2 days ago. And we already making great gains. These were using just 2 week out options. But for Tesla, we're talking about Spencer. They were using options that costed around about nine, depending on your entry, about $980. You could have get them. You could have averaged to about $700. Already, these are almost up to well, they close at around $1,400. Check out this video. You'll see Tesla special earnings. Look for that August the 2nd. I might actually post it up actually on this part of the section of the chart. Right in this video. And then at this top section over here, what I'm going to post in the video is one of my great BA trades where you see the detail from the start to end, everything. It's really great. We made the money. Just like this plan, we are in that stage now of the beginning phase where we're looking for confirmation. Like I said, confirmation is key. Study the videos. We don't guess. We don't assume. We plan. A lot of people just say things, blah, 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 blah. I see this all the time. People that think they're professionals, but they don't know anything. They're completely wrong. I see it all the time. It's just I'm the master and the professional of the professionals. What I can see, I'm right over a lot of people. Believe me, people. I called the market reversal February 11, 2016. I made a plan and I made one of the best traders in the world look like an amateur. Anyways, people, this is just a statistical fact. I have the proof to show it. They fear me. Anyways, market is the market is something where it's a thinking thing. It's a combination of I created a system that I documented in these videos. No one's done this before, but these videos are there to empower people because there's a lot of scam artists out there. But my Tesla video over here, if you see what I explained, okay, this is a very difficult stock to manage, but my rules and numbers were bang on with this, how it worked. You should listen to this video, if a person followed the instructions and figured the pivot points and realized where the support was, and I actually even made comments that made people money, where it was if they bought that dip that I was talking about, they made money the same within an hour later, they're up. Or 30 minutes later. Anyways, check out that video. See the center of PowerTriggerTrade? It's going to appear here at the end of the video in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. People, I make a lot of great detailed plans. The key is to understand what's going on. Don't take the trades, but follow along. And when you're ready, you're going to want to take the trades. This is as simple as that. Everything I make is intentional to make I want to make money. It's the plans I get into myself. A lot of people say things blah, 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 but they don't even do it. I do it. And anybody can get into these plans because with options, it gives people with a smaller account the chance to play in stocks like Tesla. This Tesla plan, you're controlling 300 shares of Tesla if you want for $3,000. 300 shares or 100 shares for 1,000. Well, even under that actually, right? Under that. For me, I was able to get my average down to $700 on this plan based on what I explain on this plan because I'm looking at my charts and my experience, and that's what I put out there, right? And therefore, whether a person has more experience or less experience, they would be able to make the money. Because I'm telling you, people who think that the professionals did not make money, they were looking to short. They're not professionals. They don't know what a stock is to go long or short. Just like there's a guy on the thing that says it's a bearish chart, but there is no reason yet that it's bearish. There has not. In fact, it's a stock that's run a lot. That's about it. And it was extremely overbought, and it had to pull back. That's like this BA plan, right? Anyways, people, enough of my ranting. But like I said, people, I post the facts. If something doesn't work out, what do? We never fight the market. But until the market says something negative, in which BA is not yet. Like if BA doesn't want to confirm, guess what? We won't be in the trade. The key is confirmation. Make sure you understand what I explained in this video. But if it wants to confirm, there's a lot more upside to BA, in my opinion. It's very bullish. It's just that the stock has made a strong run and needs to consolidate. That's the difference. That's not a breakdown stock just because it goes up higher. People thought BA was high at 200. Believe me, I've had people, oh, it's bearish. What are you talking about? And it was at 200. Now look where BA is. I'm telling you, there's a lot of bad investment advice out there. But I'm what I try to put out here is the great stuff, and I document it in powerful ways. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.